Did you know people are making money online using AI-generated content? In this video, I'll show you how to monetize AI-generated videos, images, voiceovers, and social media content, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a profitable content niche. First, choose a niche. Popular AI content niches include motivation, tech tutorials, finance, fitness, facts and storytelling, gaming. Pick a niche with high demand and consistent audience interest. Step 2. Create AI content. Use AI tools to generate content faster. Some powerful tools include ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Pika Labs for AI videos, and CapCut for editing. These tools help you create content at scale. Step 3. Post on multiple platforms. Don't rely on one platform. Upload your content to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Repurpose the same content for multiple platforms. Step 4. Monetize with YouTube. One of the best methods is YouTube monetization. You can earn through ad revenue, channel memberships, super chats, sponsorships. To qualify, you typically need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Or shorts requirements. Step 5. Use affiliate marketing. Promote products or tools in your videos. Example, AI software, editing apps, online tools. Place affiliate links in your description and earn commissions from sales. Step 6. Sell digital products. You can also sell ebooks, presets, AI prompts, templates, courses. AI helps you create digital products much faster. Step 7. Grow faster with shorts and trends. Short-form content grows fastest. Focus on TikTok trends, YouTube shorts, viral hooks, fast packing. Consistency is key. Build multiple income streams. Don't depend on one source of income. Combine ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products. This creates long-term stability. Important tip: avoid uploading low-quality spam AI content. Add editing, creativity, personality, and value. This helps your content stand out and stay monetizable. And that's how to monetize AI-generated content step by step. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video to learn how to grow an AI content channel faster.